friends. We're very happy you are here today.
This podcast helps you learn simple English step by step. Short phrases, real examples, and easy practice.
Yes, if you want to improve your English every day, make sure you follow and subscribe to the podcast.
All right, today's topic is morning English. Simple phrases you use every morning.
These are phrases you can use in real life. Ready?
Let's start. Phrase 1. I wake up. Our first phrase is, I wake up.
I wake up means you stop sleeping.
Example. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Another example. I wake up early.
Now listen again. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up early.
Great. Try saying it with us. I wake up. Phrase 2. I brush my teeth.
Next phrase, I brush my teeth.
This means cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush.
Example. I brush my teeth in the morning.
Another example. I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Listen again. I brush my teeth in the morning.
I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Good job. Repeat after us. I brush my teeth.
Phrase 3. I make breakfast. Next phrase, I make breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Example. I make breakfast at home.
Another example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
That's a simple breakfast.
Yes, sometimes I eat just a banana and coffee.
Listen again. I make breakfast at home.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Repeat with us. I make breakfast. Phrase 4. I go to work or school.
Next phrase, I go to work.
Or you can say, I go to school.
Example, I go to work at 8 a.m.
Another example, I go to school by bus.
Listen again. I go to work at 8 a.m.
Great practice. Say it again. I go to work. Quick practice. Okay, let's review together.
Listen carefully.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I make breakfast.
I go to work.
Now you say them.
You're improving already. Good job.
Wrap up. Today we learned 4 simple morning phrases.
Let's say them one more time.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I make breakfast.
I go to work.
These are real phrases people use every day.
Practice them tomorrow morning.
And before we finish, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What time do you wake up?
Yes, do you wake up early or late?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for learning English with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.